Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with today's challenge. Today topic that I want to discuss with you is there are a lot of people who are roaming around in this world thinking that they have missed their chances already. And there is also a thinking that I am old, much older than most of the people who are into my niche in this market. So I don't think I can make it. I have already missed my chance. I must have done it when I was 20 plus, 30 plus. Now I am 40 plus. I don't think I can make it. So there is nothing like you have lost your chance. Trust me. This universe always, I repeat, always, irrespective of your age, you always have a chance. And this universe loves people who are passionate, who really wants to serve the society and make money for themselves as well. So there is nothing like you have missed your chance. Oh no, I am this old, that old, I have missed my chance, I cannot make it. When people come to me for learning dot mandala and for establishing their business, there are a lot of people who say, Radha, there are already a lot of dot mandala artists. No, is it not the competition is high? Will I be really be able to make it, or have I already missed my chance? My response to such people is, let me tell you the example of mine. When I started with Dot Mandala, when did I start? 2021, August or September. That's when I seriously started. So it's been just 3 years since I started. And then to one of the artists, I used to ask a lot of doubts with her. She teaches, sometimes she also teases me, not just teach, also teases me. She says, looks like you don't have any artistic experience from your childhood. You know what, Radha? I've been an artist right from my childhood, and I have 10K following in my Instagram. You don't even have 1K, and you are trying to make it in Instagram. I said, I'm not trying to make anything in Instagram. When I was talking to her, I did not know that I'm going to be taking this dot mandala coaching and selling as a serious business for mine. I was not intending to do it at all. So to that artist, I said, no, I'm not trying to make anything out of Instagram. I only then she was like, she didn't leave me. Then why are you posting your artwork in Instagram? I said it is just to share with my friends. Instead of sending pictures, I'll only send the links to them. They are on Instagram and they'll just see. That is all. For me, it is a matter of a platform being available to share my artwork to all of my friends without actually sending the picture. That's how I have been using Instagram. And when I said that, I don't know. I think now when I'm talking about it, I'm thinking I think she had seen a lot of potential in mine and she was feeling so insecure about my growth. I think that should be the reason. When I told this particular reason, she was not willing to believe, and she said, okay, Radha, looks like you have learned a lot from me. So going forward, I'm not going to answer any of your questions. I said, so far you have been answering. Thank you so much. After a couple of months, I was consistently posting, and she didn't post anything at all. For about 8 9 months, she didn't post anything. I came to know she is expecting her first child, and she delivered a baby girl. and my heart was full of gratitude because she did share a lot of tips which I followed till date in terms of number of colors that I use in a mandala and the gradient coloring. There are a lot of things that I have learned from her. So her silence really did bother me. So I messaged her in Instagram asking if everything is okay, and she is not to be seen on Instagram. That's what I messaged her, and she immediately called me and said, Radha, I'm really sorry for how I spoke to you, and yes, everything is fine at my end. I delivered a baby girl. When I checked on her, so she felt so heart melting, I believe. And she said, I'm really sorry. I spoke a little harsh earlier, and I still remember. And she said, I understand. And I told her earlier when she was a little harsh, I said, I didn't want to name her now. I said, girl, you remember, nobody is late, nobody is early, everybody is just on their time, and universe has abundant opportunities for each and every person who would love to serve the society in some way or the other and make money too. Universe is going to shower them with opportunities. All you need is a small shift in your mindset. That's all you need. That's what I showered her with my philosophy. And while we were talking after she delivered a baby girl, she recalled all those conversations. She was saying, I was on a very long break with my art and my other key areas of life because I was focusing on my own health and I was focusing on having a child. And she was also saying, since I was on a long break from social media platform, I think I have lost my chance as a dot mandala artist. And I told her, no, you did not lose. You come back, start, and people are going to love your work. And I will always be there to admire your work and comment on every single artwork that you post on Instagram to start with. I can definitely do that. That's what I said. And now she's into watercolor painting, gouache painting. She is into a lot of floral painting, floral brushstrokes too. She does a lot of things, and she had gained her momentum back in all social media platforms. And I think a week back, I was talking to her, and that's when she said, Radha, you're so right. Nobody loses their chance. The universe is always ready to present us with abundant opportunities. And we were discussing a lot of things, and some of the pearls of wisdom out of what we were talking is there is nothing called huge competition, so I can't make it. I have lost my chance. So there is nothing like that. Even if there are thousands of artists already available, let's say there are 1,000 dot mandala artists, and you who's watching this video is the artist number 1001. Now, looking at all the existing 1,000 artists, do you think you have a lot of people to learn from, or do you feel, oh my God, there are already 1,000 people? Can I make it, or have I missed my chance? What exactly do you think? Now pause the video Do let me know in the comments. Even if there are 10,000 more dot mandala artist comes, for every single dot mandala artist that gets created in this world, the opportunities are abundantly available. All they need to do is to have faith, to have self discipline in their practice, and everything else will fall in place. So, the point that I'm trying to make is there is nothing like you are late, so you have already missed your chance. There is nothing like that. The chances are always available. All you need to do is just be aware of the opportunities that universe presents itself to you. Most of the time, the opportunities comes around you in disguise with a kind of a mask, like it is a problem. So if you are really keen in grabbing the opportunities, you need to be aware of all of these. So the point that I want to make is there is nothing like you're late, so you have missed your chance. The chances are always available. Mandala for today's challenge is done. Now go ahead, recreate it, share it with me.